Hello, Jason here, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to explain to you and show you everything you need to know if you're buying a house with a septic tank. Okay, so you found your dream house. Wow, you and the missus, the family, they want to move there, but it's got a septic tank. So what is a septic tank and soakaway? Should you be concerned? No, you shouldn't be concerned. Let me explain what a septic tank and soakaway is, right? So instead of being connected to the waste sewer, all the waste would leave your property, make its way down the pipe here from your house, and instead of going into the sewer pipe, it would go into a septic tank, all right? So it fills the septic tank up, all right? So all the poo and the wee and all the nasty stuff go into here, which is great, right? Because you've got rid of it all. The liquid from your septic tank will then go into something called a soakaway, and from there, it will just soak away naturally into the grass. So that's a septic tank and soakaway, right? So whether the septic tank is 50 years old or 100 years old isn't a problem, right? But this is the problem. On the 1st of January 2020, all the rules and regulations changed. So now, right, every single septic tank, right? So if I put septic tanks installed before 2015 now needs something called an MOT certificate. It's as simple as that. They've made it easier in some sense, certificate. The government have made it really easy now, right? Just like a car, if it's not taxed, if it's not MOT'd, is illegal. Same with septic tanks. It's either taxed or MOT'd. Well, not taxed, but MOT'd, or it isn't. All right, so this puts you in a very strong position, right? Very strong position indeed. Because the people who are selling the house, right, probably won't know that. Many of them don't. And so they won't know what to think. So the second thing you need to do is get a company to do a septic tank inspection. All right, so they need to do a septic tank inspection. And they will go round, they'll do a complete inspection of your the septic tank and soakaway. They will come to the same conclusion, right? They will say, well, it hasn't got an MOT certificate, right? And they will come back to you and saying, okay, it's a good tank. Maybe it's a bad tank, but in many cases, it's a good tank, but it's not legal. It's not current with the new legislation. You need to replace it. Now, they will give you a quote somewhere in the region of 10 to £15,000, right? Can you see that on the whiteboard? Yeah. So then the next, this puts you in a very strong position now, because number one, you've got the septic tank inspection under your belt. You've got the documentation from them, which you can hand to their solicitor, the report, right? And now you can go back to the people who you're buying the house of, and you can knock the house price down, right? You can ask them to reduce the house price by anywhere from £10,000 to £15,000. So there you go. So that's basically all you need to know if you're buying a house with a septic tank, because that money that's now going to be available to you, because they've reduced the house price, which is in effect giving you 10, 15 grand to play with. You've got a few options, right? You can either replace your system when you move in, and you've got the company, you've got the money now to pay this company to do it for you. Or you can put a septic tank converter in, something like that, which is half the price of that, but it'll again make your system legal and give you that MOT certificate. But that's basically all that you need to know. So if you found your dream house, follow those 3 steps and you won't go far wrong. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more videos, free videos and advice, and just go to type in Septic Tank TV onto Google. You'll see my Septic Tank TV channel there with loads more videos like this to help you. So listen, thank you very much for watching it. You take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.